welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating this very fun, colorful teal and lilac eye look with my very favorite palette, and that is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And this palette is so gorgeous. Like the colors are so pastel and it's just very beautiful. I really love this. So today I'm using this palette just to create this look, and I hope this is going to be helpful and fun to watch and also fun to create. And in case you create this look, don't forget to just tag me on Instagram, and let's get started. Chalo. So starting off, I'll be spraying my face with rose water, and then for moisturizer I'm using the Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream. So this is one of the nicest day creams that I use on a regular basis. So next off, I'll be using the foundation Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 310. So this is pretty much a good foundation for every skin type. So I'll be just blending it with a beauty blender. And don't forget your neck. So next off, for the concealer part, I'm using the Fit Me concealer. So this is also a really great concealer. I really like this one. So I'm just going to use it in the areas where much needed, and I'm going to blend it out with the beauty blender. Then to set the entire base, I'm using the loose powder from MAC Studio Fix. Then next for my eyebrows, I'm using a eyebrow pencil with a spoolie from Wet n Wild. Then for the contour and blush part, I'm using this palette from LE Colors, and I'm using the contour part to contour my cheekbones and also my jawline. And for the blush part, I'm using another palette from the same range in the name Lovebirds, and I'm going to use the soft pink color for the blush. And for lining my lips, I'm using this lip liner from Miss Claire Cosmetics in the name Blush Pink. Then coming to the exciting part of the tutorial, that's the eyeshadow palette. So this is an amazing eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. So it's called the Mercury Retrograde. So it is called really beautiful pastel, shimmery, shiny shades. So for the first eye, I'm using this color Haze. It's a very beautiful teal pastel color. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And for the second eye, I'm using the shade Libra. So it's a pretty lilac pink sort of a color. So I'm going to apply it all over my lid with a fluffy brush and just blend it well. And then to top up the teal shade, I'm using the color Mercury, and I'm using my fingertips just to get good pigmentation from these colors. And for the other eye, I'm going to use the color Ultraviolet. So these are very beautiful shimmery colors. And just to enhance the shine, I'm using Super Moon on the middle part just on the in the center part of the eyes, just for the extra shine. So that's all for the eye look. Like, this palette is so beautiful and you can create so many eye looks from this. And also for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using the shade Super Moon and Gold Glitch. I'm mixing it up and just using it as an highlighter, and also to my eyebrow bone. And for the lower eyes, I'm using the color Cortex, that is the darkest color in this palette. So I'm just going to underline my eyes with it. And then I'm going to use a liquid liner just to do a wink, a tiny wink. And that's the eye look. So for the lip color, I'm using this color Kashi from Nykaa. So this is a very beautiful nude pink color. So I really love this, along with the color Bombay. So that's all. And even I'll be using lashes. So if you want, you can use lashes for this look, or else you can just skip it up and use a mascara. And so here's the finished look, guys. So this is so pretty. I'm so excited. Like, just look at this. So I really love this. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below how you like my look. And that's all for today. So see you next time in my next video. So till that, take care. Ta-ta, bye.